Hey there, kids! Welcome back to our awesome channel where we dive into the coolest stuff about the world around us. Today, we're going to explore something super fun and super important: how plants grow. You might be thinking, plants? Really? But trust me, plants are like the superheroes of our planet, and once you learn how they grow, you'll see them in a whole new light. So, let's start with the basics. Picture this. You're outside, maybe in your backyard or at a park, and you see a tiny seed. It's just a little brown dot, right? But that little seed is packed with potential. It's like a tiny treasure chest filled with everything it needs to become a big, strong plant. But how does that happen? Well, first, the seed needs a cozy home. It gets planted in the soil, which is like its warm blanket. The soil gives it nutrients, which are like vitamins for plants, helping them grow big and healthy. Now, here's where the magic begins. When it rains, the soil gets wet, and the seed starts to drink up all that water. This process is called germination. It's like the seed is waking up from a long nap. Once it has enough water, it begins to sprout. You might see a little green shoot poking out of the ground. That's the first sign that our little seed is turning into a plant. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more! This little sprout needs sunlight too. Plants are like solar panels. They soak up sunlight to make their food through a process called photosynthesis. It's a big word, but all it means is that plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to create their own food. And guess what? While they're doing that, they're also giving us oxygen to breathe. So, every time you take a deep breath, thank a plant. They're doing a lot of hard work for us. As our plant grows taller and stronger, it develops leaves, which are like its arms reaching out to catch more sunlight. And then, if it's the right kind of plant, it might even grow flowers. Flowers are not just pretty, they're super important for making new seeds. When bees and butterflies visit the flowers, they help spread pollen, which is like a plant's way of saying, "Hey, let's make some babies." Nisit, isn't that cool? Now let's talk about why plants are so important. They provide food for us and for animals. Think about your favorite fruits and vegetables. They all come from plants: apples, carrots, broccoli, you name it. Plus, plants help keep our environment clean. They absorb carbon dioxide, which is a gas that can be harmful in large amounts, and they release oxygen. It's like they're cleaning up the air for us. But here's the thing. We need to take care of our plants. If we don't, they can get sick or even die. That's why it's so important to water them, give them sunlight, and make sure they have good soil. And if you have a garden at home, you can be a plant superhero too. You can plant seeds, watch them grow, and even help them thrive. So next time you see a little seed or a big tree, remember all the hard work that goes into growing plants. They're not just sitting there, they're busy being amazing. And who knows, maybe one day you'll become a plant scientist or a gardener, helping to grow even more plants and making our world a greener place. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and don't forget to appreciate the wonderful world of plants. Until next time, happy learning. And join us on Leo Storia for the best educational videos. Bye-bye!